Priest and nuns and all the sisters present over here and all you parishioners. I'm very happy to be part of this laying of the foundation stone as a faithful of this church. I would like to announce a sum of rupees 10 lakhs for this beautiful church which will come up over here. I'm a small businessman first and I'm a social worker afterwards. So from a small contribution from my business to this beautiful church which will come up, and I wish all the best to all the parishioners over here, that everybody, I think, will shoulder the responsibility to give one brick for this beautiful church which will come up over here. Thank you very much and God bless you for inviting me over here. Thank you. God bless you.
We have heard in today's psalm, in vain does the watchman keep vigil if the Lord does not bless the work. It is this awareness that God has to bless our work that has brought us here today for the blessing of this foundation stone. We are so happy that the Syro Malabar Church is building this first church of their own here. We welcome Bishop Raphael for this foundation stone. Is the Bishop of Shamshabad, and this community will come under him as the Bishop of Shamshabad. That is the beauty of the church. Various traditions, liturgical, theological traditions. In India we have these three churches: Latin Church, Syro Malabar Church, Syro Malankara Church. It's one Church of Jesus. Different diversity, just as in our country there is so much diversity, linguistic diversity, cultural diversity, religious diversity, ethnic diversity, and yet we are a beautiful country of India. Similarly, the church has various religious traditions, but is the same Church of Jesus. And as members of the church, we are called to deepen our faith in Jesus, to witness to that faith by our loving concern for one another, and thirdly, by our witness to the values that Jesus brought: value of love, value of service, value of forgiveness. We entrust this work of the building of the new church to the Lord, and we ask God that He may bless all of us, the Syro Malabar community here, Bishop Raphael, the clergy of the Syro Malabar Church, all of you faithful to belong to that church, that you may grow as a living community of disciples of Jesus, committed to make Him the center of your lives, ready to reach out to one another in loving care, and committed to witness to the values of Jesus in the world of today.
City. When this foundation stone was blessed and laid by beloved Archibishop Filip Neri, I was reminded of an emotional moment of encounter between Abraham and Melchizedek, the king of Shalem. Abraham was wandering and reached Salem, which is the present Jerusalem. As the news came to the king, Melchizedek, the king of Jerusalem, Salem, came to greet Abraham with a lot of gifts, especially bread and wine. Our people is a wandering people. When they have reached Goa, they never felt homesick. They always feeling at home.